there is this very beautiful prayer entitled, I don't know. Pag nagdarasal tayo, at minsan hindi natin alam kung ano sasabihin natin sa Diyos. Kung yun lang yung masasabi natin at yun naman talaga yung totoo na laman ng ating puso, bakit hindi mo sabihin? Sabihin mo sa Diyos, Panginoon, hindi ko alam. Kung yun talaga, yung iyong nararanasan, ikaw ay litong-lito, ikaw ay naliligaw, bakit hindi ka tumahimik at buksan mong iyong isip at puso sa Diyos? Sabihin mo, Panginoon, hindi ko alam. Just say that to God. And be quiet and listen to God. And you know what? If you believe, God will reveal His answer to you. God will reveal the path to you. God will show you the way.